Hello, learners. Today, I tell you about how to set up MongoDB and how to create document. MongoDB is the latest new database. Either you can say new era of database, not only SQL, no SQL. So, how to download MongoDB? First, type mongodb.org and you can see that different platform. So you just go to MongoDB community download. Just click here and click to community server. Now you can see that according to version, this is Windows 10 and this is for Windows 7. So you have to download, and after download, you have seen setup just like that. I'll show you. This one, this is a MongoDB, and this is the Windows 7 version, this is Windows 10 version. So I just guess already installed I have, so I just showing you a document file in MongoDB. So first go to link community server, download. Now click setup file. Once download complete, open the MS file and double click setup and start. Select to next. Once you click next, accept the end user license agreement. Accept the end user license agreement, then click accept, click next, then click the option button, choose to complete and custom. So you have to choose complete, then next. After that, you have to select install that one and leave it the blank service as a local domain. So you have to select run service as a network service user and click next. It's processing going on, and start install. Click the install button. Then setup is completed. Now press finish. After you install MongoDB, so how can you find? This is the database address where is located. You have seen that. So in this system, so I just show you in my system. C drive, users, and this one. Okay, not only this one, C drive, program files, and MongoDB. Wait a minute, let me check. Yes, not here. I think here. Yes, that one, MongoDB. Okay, now you press to server for bin. 1 minute. Now you have seen that MongoDB. So you have to just select this path, copy this path and go to search bar and type environment variable accounts. Click over here and select path. 1 minute. This one is for path and edit and paste at the last over here and okay. After that, you just go to the command prompt. So we are set the path. Once you set the environment variable, your MongoDB will be activated in command mode. So just type over here Mongo and you have seen that MongoDB screen. So now show DBS. So database is here, admin, config and local, and you can select database, use admin. Okay, so we are working admin panel. So this is the database admin, config and local. So before we studying database, I just convey to that method. How can we access the things and basic theory? Then we'll go to the programming part. So installation done after basic features. So first, creating the document. So how are object created using MongoDB? MongoDB use bsun, binary representation of JSON, for its storage. So it's quite easy to understand that method used to perform different operation in database have a something or the other to do with JavaScript. So let's using collections points. So that table in SQL are equivalent to collections in MongoDB. Suppose db user.save. So this is the collections of users saving the data in the collection table. Okay, so this method we have to follow and that manner admin panel, and I'm just copy over here if he's there. Take minute. Okay, now okay. So users panel is not there. So I am our writing here db dot users and dot panels admin we have to write, and illegal characters, syntax error. So db dot table name admin block over here. Now collection name insert one. Yes. Okay, we cannot save. First we have to create the table, create collections, because I'm just showing create collection. So this is the saving of the collections. So that are different part. I'll just show you. This is the example of how to save in database. Okay, first inserting the document. So now if we talk about insert one method and insert many and like that. So batch insert. So inserting document, that means first one is batch. This function allow for adding a list of documents at the same time to a database. A batch can have 100 or even 1,000 of document with the capability of inserting multiple document. This function works a lot faster than other insert function. Okay, so this is the batch. Second, Mongo import. Mongo import is a command line tool that is used in place of the batch insert. Essential data from MySQL, Oracle, or any other RDBMS. These are times when you may be required to make changes to document, add a custom ID before storing it on MongoDB. Another important things that you should know it is that MongoDB only accept messages as heavily and 16 MB. Next one, unordered bulk insert. So if you want to insert bulk data and bulk storage, so we have to perform bulk insert. Bulk dot get operation function can be used to see how MongoDB group a set of operations. Now order bulk insert, this is a function perform order operation and group of considering their continuity and type. For if order list has the one insert operations followed by a delete operations, and during the error write operation result in MongoDB not performing the operations. So this is the method. Now unordered bulk insert we have done. Now ordered bulk insert. So ordered bulk insert, that means we can insert number of record and follow delete operation to update operation. So MongoDB will create 3 groups to stake. This group one will consist of one insert operation, and the second group will have one delete operation. The third group will put the 2 update operation together. The future edition of MongoDB are expected to deal appropriately with the behavior. So this is the beyond limit of number of seconds. So bulk that got operations command. This command can be add 3 document in order. Next one, retrieving reading documents. So query can be modified to put limits and short orders. Okay, so you can db.item find pretty. So this is the command. If we have item file item covered, So find pretty. So query to identify all the document listed in a collection and display all them in nice format. So this is the db.item.find. This query has an empty query, close. Okay. Now next one is updating documents. You need to use the update method to update document in MongoDB. The update method features two import elements, query and update. So query parameter comes first, followed by the update parameter. Here is an so DB users update, name Mike, age 32. Maybe this is the updating. So user database, user is a table and update. So DB users update name Mike set is 28. Okay, so we are update of this method set. Okay, so this won't override anything. You would retain all the information. The document has only the value of s will be updated. Now removing the documents. So DB courses remove. So database, table name, and remove method. So remove document from a collections. So this is the method we can remove a document of the collections. DB item remove. This can be remove a item. Okay. Now this is the drop method. DB course dot drop. So first, suppose we are making a database and we can drop just like that. So use command is the we are just using switch, and drop is a DB courses and drop method. So block header, the metadata that verify the validity of a block. So the block metadata of a block is made of following 6 components: version, previous block header hash, a Merkle root hash, timestamp, n bit, nouns, number, and ones. And you have see then block one header, block 2 header, block 3 header. So hash of previous block, hash of the previous block, and hash of the, so 3 are same of us. Now next Merkle root, and third one is the transactions. So we have to follow this rule for random value that block creators. While these 6 components from the block header, remaining part of a block contains the transaction included by the miner while creating the block. The users in a network create such transaction and submit them to the network to be included in a blocks. As these transactions continue to grow, the size of the blockchain also continues to expand. The decentralized and distributed features of the blockchain make it transparent and accountable. So every user in the network is accountable for any alternation in chain. So, and the fact that everything recorded in blockchain is secured cryptography. Okay, the features of blockchain have made it attractive to emphasize across all distributions. So first we understand about blockchain architecture, then perform because MongoDB mainly we can use big data database and Hadoop also. So blockchain is important. So basic part we are leaving here. Will just I'm showing you how to the blocking the so blockchain architecture. So first one, pointers. These are the variables that record information about the location of another variables. And linked list, these are a sequence of block where in each block has a unique data and is linked the block following via pointers. Now if you talk about characteristic block of blockchain architecture, so cryptography, decentralization, provenances, immutability, anonymity, transparency. These are the basic features about the understanding of blockchain. And now types of blockchain architecture. So public blockchain architecture, that means blockchain network participate to who will individual can participate. Private, that means only selected and specific organization work. Consortium blockchain, that means group of organization and procedure system are set the control by select of group. A public blockchain is the pure decentralized blockchain since it is open-ended and can be accessed by anyone willing to take part in an agreement of the system. All records are visible to every participating users in the network. On the contrary, private blockchain depict the behavior of more centralized system since it is administered and controlled by a select group of users who enjoy greater privacy. Now, core component of blockchain architecture, six are component. First one is node, second one is transaction, third one is block, and fourth one is chain, fifth one is miner, and last one is consensus algorithm. These are the basic and important six component of blockchains. Now you have seen the diagram how blockchain works. First, transaction request. Second, a block that represent the transaction is created. Third, the block is sent to every node in the network. And fourth one, nodes validate the transaction. Now next node receive a reward for the proof of work, and next the block is added to the existing blockchain, and final that transaction is completed. So that is the sixth method it will be completed on via blockchain. Now we talk about metadata data. Block data largely depend on a kind of blockchain architectures, a hash of the block, and next one the hash from the previous block. These are the blockchain validation. Now, what is a consensus algorithm? The consensus algorithm refers to the mechanism or protocol that ensure that the local copy of a blockchain ledger processed by individual members are consistent with each other and are updated to the latest version. Okay. Now, proof of work, proof of stakes, simplify by fault tolerance, how to create a blockchain architecture. So this is the method. So first we have to create blockchain network, then blockchain code. So model file, script file, access control, query file. Now business network architecture. So first one, C2 assert participate transaction, script functions, access controls, and query file. Now package you business networks. Now Hyperledger Fabric Cloud or a web browser node in there. So how to create a blockchain network? Blockchain network is formed when one or a group of organizations decide on investing in a blockchain solution. So this network could either be considered as an individual organization with their staff members or as a whole from the technical infrastructure viewpoint of all the organization combined. So usually blockchain is a network, the aim of application solution to organize these parties to forming a transparent P2P system. So activities in real time, this will help the blockchain network. So blockchain network perform peer-to-peer connections. Okay, so next one, how to create block code. So blockchain network is a place parties involved must reach a consensus on a type of business transaction that should take a place within a blockchain architecture. This consensus is achieved in the form of legal agreement known as a smart contract. This blockchain code. Okay, so now benefit of blockchain architecture: cost reductions, increase transparency, data security. Okay, so now perform some basic operation of MongoDB CRUD. So create, read, update, and delete. So before we start, how can we create? How can we update? So first one, we are using over here. Suppose show DBS. So this is the database. So now first one, insert a document in MongoDB collection, create operation. We are performing create operation. So before create, we are using use admin and enter. Now switch to DB admin. Okay. Let me check. So you have seen that. Okay, now key exception syntax error, users admin say name Mike. So that, oh sorry, I have a wrong post over here. So we are performing insert one method. So first what should write, we have to write db dot collection name, insert one, document objects, and write concern document. Suppose db dot where is my table name? Okay,
So admin dot product suppose dot insert one, and this is the bracket over here. So I am writing over here name A double P L E apple, comma, next one QTY quantity, and maybe a 10, then comma, and PRIC price, maybe in 20. Okay, so I just close over here, and we have to close bracket, small bracket, and semicolon, and then press enter. So admin is not defined. Okay, so first we have to define our database. Now admin is not defined. My query is running. So first we have to create admin block. Admin is the database. So I'll tell you this topic in next. This is query, right? But how I can define admin, I'll show you next video. Thank you. Have a nice day. This query is working on, but little bit we have to write little bit code because collection method we have to write. So after that, I'll show you how can we insert record is over here. Thank you. This is not a wrong method. Everything is right, but first we have to define admin. Thank you. Have a nice day. Bye.